Fed up with slugs and snails causing havoc in your garden, and you want a completely harmless solution? The Defender's all-natural wool pellets, 100% biodegradable and completely poison-free. They're effective around growing fruits, flowers, vegetables. And they're so easy to apply. Just sprinkle the pellets around any vulnerable plants. Not only do they stop the slugs and snails, they also conserve the soil moisture to create a protective mulch. And as the wool pellets slowly break down, they provide a nutritious and entirely natural fertilizer for your plants. And they suppress weed growth too, keeping slugs and snails away from your plants without danger to wildlife, birds, pets, or your family. To nourish and protect your plants, take your Defender's all-natural wool pellets to the checkout now.